Alright, so change our plans. Remember we said we never go to the Great Wall? Well, change our plans to go into the Great Wall instead. You see, it was a long ride to get here though. You see, and Jay feel kind of nauseous. You see me? But we're gonna find out if it's all worth it. You see? How you feeling, baby?
I feel okay.
Alright, but a whole heap of people there in front of you. You see, the place full of tourists. You understand? But we're not going to see what the Great Wall of China looks like if it's all worth the hype. You see? So for now, we're going to see it. We are going to load the tour bus. You see? And then when we reach, we shoot some more footage again. The Great Wall, what is the history behind it?
You know, the wall, the history is built the wall. I think you know the Mongolia?
No.
From the wall outside, you know. You understand?
No, what is
outside of the wall, a lot we have many different nationalities before China, you know. You understand what I mean? And outside of the Great Wall is the bigger of the wall in the mountain, right? In the north side. The outside of the wall have a lot of different nationality, you know, like Mongolia.
So
the build up wall just you know
to separate.
For the another nationality. You
know?
Oh,
so the wall was built to keep out other nationalities.
Yes. And the army is then there, you know, in the wall, you know, you understand?
So it wasn't built for a war.
For the war. Yeah.
For the war.
Yeah.
So we reach, but so far the walking is horrible. I mean, I like walk too much. You see me? So I go hold on that one in your hand and make sure drag me up the hill.
Calm down.
Cause God know me I like walk too much. You see me? And this look like a whole heap of walk. Me I show you how much walk. Now we go up on a hill. Wanna see it? Yeah. I mean I go up that hill here. I'm done tired. I'm literally just a walk for about 2 seconds. Alright, so when you see that, you gotta go up on that. You see it? Yeah, see the up there, so you gotta go up on that. I don't know how I'm gonna record it while we're on it, because I don't have my GoPro. But yeah, you gotta go up on that. You see, I know Jay, I go afraid, but yeah. Jay, you go afraid? You go afraid of that? You know you're scary. Alright, we'll see. Oh, yeah, we're there at the Great Wall of China.
And we're towing the line. It's a very long line. See you when we get up there.
Go up right now.
We're going towards the Great Wall of China.
Yeah. So we're there on whatever that thing you name. I don't know how I name. But we are go. Oh, it named the line, something like that. My name, baby?
I know.
Yeah, well, we're there on our line thing I go up, see people in behind with it. You see it? Yeah. So when we reach and we can get a view of the wall, we start record again and show them.
So they can see.
Yeah. Alright, so that's how it look. We are go up and that's how we are go forward down. You see it? So on the way down, that's how we are go forward down. And then this is how we're going up. You see me? We not cat like that. down.
茄子走。
This ain't no fun. I'm not gonna lie. If you didn't know this, me I pay for my wouldn't pay for it. Wouldn't know what I come try this, yeah? Wouldn't know what I come try this. Remember showing where I come from. That walk is no fun. Look for that one, she boss. She can't go no further. Wanna look? How you down there so we have from? Yo, if them they tell me, say this me that do, me wouldn't come to see the Great Wall of China. May I tell you the truth?
I'm tired.
This ain't no fun.
They should have warned me.
Go Jay, go Jay, go. Go Jay. Go Jay. You made it. Alright. We made it. Look at me. Yo. Yo. Wouldn't not come try this, yeah? And some people do it for all out. Me and Jay do it for all out. Nobody can try this.
Unstoppable.